Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial security with USAA easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your financial security with USAA, create an account if you do not already have one. Click on the sign up button and provide the required information. Make sure to have your USAA membership number handy. Once your account is created, log in to access your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features available on your account. Navigate to the banking section to explore various services. Set up direct deposit for your paycheck to ensure timely access to funds. Consider utilizing USAA's budgeting tools under the Financial Planning tab. These tools can help you monitor spending and create budgets. Next, review your insurance options provided by USAA. Explore coverage for auto, home, and life insurance policies. Select policies that fit your lifestyle and financial needs. Compare premiums to ensure you are getting the best value. Sign up for any additional protection plans, like identity theft coverage. Enable alerts on your account for unusual transactions or changes. This feature can help you detect fraud in real time. Consider setting up an emergency savings account with USAA. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Regularly review your financial goals using the USAA app. Adjust your budget and savings strategies as necessary. Make use of USAA's financial advisors if you need personalized assistance. Engage with them to create a long-term financial plan. Stay informed by reading the financial education resources available on the platform. Keep track of changes in your accounts and review statements monthly. Finally, ensure that your profile and security settings are updated. This simple routine can significantly enhance your financial security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.